Hello, this is Robert Avila from Constantine Creations, your personal jeweler gemologist. Today's exciting day. This is our first in the social media world. Everybody keeps saying, get out there so people can see what you do, and we're here to show you some beautiful things. As you know, we're in Covina, California, but we can do things all over the world. So today we're going to talk about Father's Day. Yes, Father's Day is a special day. Mother's Day is incredible, but Fathers, we know we like our special pieces also. So today we're going to talk about some specialty pieces. So I'm going to show you some of the designs we've done in the past, and maybe you have some stones that we could reset for you. Today, look at these beautiful opals. People love opals from Australia, from Ethiopia, from all over the world. We can reset them for you in white gold, yellow gold, platinum, whatever you like. You might have your own metal we can reset. I'm going to show you some beautiful spinels. Reds and blues and lavenders, whatever colors you may have. Some of the inlay opal, which is very popular right now. I'm going to show you some beautiful colored pieces. Star rubies, star sapphires, white gold, yellow gold, platinum. Here's a beautiful yellow sapphire surrounded in diamonds. And you know, well, maybe diamonds might be out of your price range. We can do white sapphires, white zircons, something to keep the price down. I would like to talk about different types of finishes with the rings. So one thing that we're doing a lot of is maybe you have just a regular high polished band. We can put a nice hand etching, hand engraving on it, some mill grain finish, really gives it a beautiful antique look or just a real masculine look. Maybe there's something special that you want to do. We can also do a lot of logos. So this is one of the things we've been doing. Here's a company logo right here with the CC. It's not Constantine Creations, it's actually another CC. And we're going to be doing that in tie pins, tie tacks, cufflinks, specialty things. If you have a company that has black onyx is a very, very nice piece. Diamond accents, cubic zirconia accents, or whatever you want to match your colors. And here's one of the specialty pieces we did that were championship rings. Our local baseball team, Hollenbeck Park, actually won the championship. So it's a very specialty piece. Yes, we do all the different types of metals, whether it be cobalt, tungsten, titanium. If you want to insert stones, if you want to have a brushed or bark finish, we can do that for you. Also do the hand engraving inside so you can really make that piece special. I know we're getting late in the game when it comes to Father's Day. If you're not sure what to get him, you know, we can do gift cards. We can do something special, gift box. One of the pieces that we like to show is a lot of our specialty rings have a little LED light, so it's always going to be sparkling when he opens up that special piece. So if there's anything that we can help at Constantine, we're here for you. We do Federal Express, UPS, everything that we can do for you. And follow us on Facebook and Instagram and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.